change the engine oil and filter on your Pro XD midsize gas, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area and ensure the transmission is in park. Begin by starting the engine and allowing it to warm up at idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Then stop the engine. Next, pull up on the cargo box latch and pivot the box up. Then, carefully clean the area around the oil cap. Continue by removing the oil cap and setting it aside. Next, place a drain pan under the engine crankcase. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Then, clean the area around the oil drain plug. Next, remove the drain plug and allow the oil to drain completely. Before continuing, position a shop towel underneath the oil filter to catch spillage. Then turn the oil filter counterclockwise to remove. Next, using a clean dry cloth, clean the filter sealing surface on the crankcase and ensure the old O-ring is completely removed. Then lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil and ensure the O-ring is in good condition. Next, install a new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then turn it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Once the filter is installed, wipe up any residual oil. Ensure there are no shop towels left in the engine bay. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the drain plug and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches. Now install a new drain plug washer on the drain plug. Then reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, add the proper amount of the recommended oil through the oil fill cap. Do not overfill. Then reinstall the oil fill cap and wipe up any residual oil. Continue by tilting the cargo box down and ensuring it is properly latched. Before continuing, dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling center. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Then stop the engine and inspect the vehicle for leaks. Next, remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the dipstick fully and remove again to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Then reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. Once complete, the maintenance reminder can be reset in the instrument cluster. Turn the key on and hold the Mode button to enter the Options menu. Then navigate to Service Hours. Press the Mode button to select it and use the up and down arrows to adjust the service hours to a new setting if desired. Once you have reached your desired setting, press the Mode button again to reset the reminder. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.